If you think weather and climate are the same thing, then unfortunately, you're wrong. But you're not alone. Most people, even adults, confuse them all the time. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break it down for you. Simple, clear, with real life examples from across the world. So grab your curiosity and maybe a cup of hot chocolate or iced tea, depending on your weather. Let's dive in. Let's start small. Weather is what you see right now. Is it sunny, rainy, snowing, windy? That's the weather. It changes hour to hour, day to day, sometimes in a matter of minutes. Ask anyone from Texas. They'll tell you it was sunny this morning, and by afternoon, tornado warnings. Weather includes temperature, precipitation, rain, snow, hail, humidity, wind speed, cloud cover. It's like your mood. You might feel happy right now, then stressed in a few hours. But that doesn't define who you are. It just describes what's happening in this moment. Now let's zoom out. Climate is the average weather over a long time, usually 30 years or more. It tells you what the weather is usually like in a place. So if I say Arizona has a desert climate, I mean it's usually hot and dry year after year. Sure, it might snow once in Phoenix, but that's weather. The overall trend, that's climate. It's like your personality. Your mood might swing, but your personality is steady. Let's bring this home. Think about Seattle, Washington. If I say it has a rainy climate, I don't mean it rains every day, but it rains a lot over the year. Now look at Miami, Florida. Climate, hot and humid. Weather, maybe sunny today, but a thunderstorm by 3 p.m. Yep, that's typical Miami. In Denver, Colorado, you might see snow in May. That's weird weather. But the climate there includes cold winters and warm summers. And how about Anchorage, Alaska? Its climate is cold and snowy most of the year, but they might get a sunny 70-degree day in July. That doesn't mean Alaska has a tropical climate. That's just one unusual weather day. Here's where people mess it up. They'll say things like, "It's snowing today, so how can global warming be real?" A cold day in January doesn't mean climate change isn't happening. Just like one hot summer day doesn't mean we're in a heat wave forever. Weather is like flipping a coin. Climate is like tracking the results of 10,000 flips. We're not just looking at today, we're watching the patterns. Climate change context. So why does it matter? Because when we talk about climate change, we're talking about big shifts in these long-term patterns. More intense hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico, longer droughts in California, warmer winters in the Northeast. These aren't just random weather blips. They're part of a bigger trend, seen over decades. Imagine your favorite beach in South Carolina. Now imagine the ocean creeping closer every year. That's not weather. That's climate changing. Let's make it simple. Weather tells you what to wear today. Climate tells you what clothes belong in your closet. Weather says, bring an umbrella today. Climate says, you'll probably need one all spring. Weather is a TikTok trend. Climate is your entire feed for the past 3 years. So next time someone says, "It's cold today, so global warming must be fake," just smile and say, "That's the weather talking, not the climate." Alright, you made it. Now you know the difference between weather and climate, and why it matters more than ever. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your weather joke in the comments. Seriously, they reign supreme. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and stay weather aware.